Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance account. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Alright, once done, go to the search bar and type in Binance.com. Alright, once that's done, just hit on enter. I'm going to maximize this one. Now in here, either you click on the sign up button right here at the center, or click on sign up. Or you can go ahead and continue with Google, Apple ID from here, okay? And you can also download the app from here by just scanning the QR code. All right, now I'm just gonna click on sign up right here. Now in this section, you would wanna put your email or phone number. Do keep in mind that you don't have to enter the country code when entering up your phone number, all right? So basically start with 09 or 01, just like that, okay? Now for this example, I'm just going to use continue with Google. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on use another account or select another account in your language. And here I'm just going to type in the email just like that and hit on next. All right. Once done, go ahead and hit on next. And it says here, open the Gmail app on the iPhone. So I'm going to do that. Your verification process right here will be different depending on where you set up the Google account. I'm just going to accept it right here. As you can see, it is now redirecting. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. All right. Wait for it to load. If you want to stay logged in, just go ahead and click on yes. And then here you just created your Binance account. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.